Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 BL Mazda 3 Neo sedan, stock reference number 4389. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid has a couple of small dents. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.